Hi everyone, our topic for today is activity-based management. Activity-based management is a method to improve strategic decision in an organization using activity-based costing. Activity-based costing is an approach that assigns indirect costs to a cost object based on activities performed for the cost object. Let me give you some idea how ABC works. Imagine you have a small shop lot selling donuts and coffee. This month, you sell 100 donuts and 100 coffee for a total of 200 units. What if, at the end of the month, you have an electric power bill of Rm 200 ringgit? How will you divide the electric bill between the donuts and the coffee? Easy! 200 ringgit divided by 200 units equal to 1 ringgit in electric power for each donut or coffee sold. But what if you use 3 kilowatt hours of electric power to make one donut, but only 1 kilowatt hour of electric power to make a glass of coffee? Is it fair to set 1 ringgit of electric power for one donut and 1 ringgit of electric power for one coffee? We should write down a higher electric power cost for the donut, right? This is where activity-based costing is different from traditional costing. Traditional costing is easy because it often divides some type of cost equally between different items. These are usually costs in which difficult to divide or allocate between products such as electricity, telephone bill, internet usage, and others. However, activity-based costing finds ways to divide or allocate these costs more proportionally or fairly. Of course, electric power is not the only cost in making donuts and soda coffee. Therefore, we have to think other costs as well before making our final pricing decision. See, the basic concept of activity-based costing isn't so difficult. So now, we look into the process of activity-based costing. For the first one, we have to identify activities and activity pools. Secondly, trace or estimate costs to activities and cost objects. Third, assign costs to activity cost pools. Fourth, calculate activity cost drivers spread. And lastly, assign costs to now we look how ABC can assist in the process of planning, control, and decision making. As for planning, ABC helps in budgeting process, in which the cost of the product can be determined accurately, and it assists in price setting. As for control, a proper planning conduct using ABC system can reduce waste by removing non-value-added activities. For decision making, ABC helps manager to see where the money are being spent so that manager can make changes to improve profitability. Lastly, we will look into the benefits and the limitation of an ABC. As I mentioned earlier, ABC helps in reducing waste. So it is one of the benefits. It is because it eliminates the non-value-added activities. Second, encourage continuous improvement and quality control. It is because control and planning are directed at the process level, and it links the corporate strategy to operational decision making. As for limitation, ABC is time consuming in terms of data collection and data entry. Lastly, ABC is not useful to a small company. It is because small companies produce only one or few products. Thus, ABC cannot be applied. Thank you for your attention.